PI Network, a blockchain-based decentralized platform that aims to democratize cryptocurrency mining, has been growing rapidly since its inception. With millions of users worldwide, the network has garnered significant attention. However, like any emerging technology, PI Network faces its share of challenges that could hinder its long-term success. Below are the top 7 challenges PI Network must navigate to realize its vision. 1. Scalability issues. One of the biggest challenges for any blockchain network is scalability, and PI Network is no exception. As the user base grows, the platform needs to handle a massive volume of transactions efficiently. Blockchain networks often struggle with scalability, especially when they need to process transactions quickly while maintaining decentralization. In PI Network's case, the system has been designed to function on mobile devices, making it easier for users to mine tokens without heavy computational power. However, this mobile-centric approach may present limitations when scaling the network to millions of active users. If the network can't scale effectively, it could result in slower transaction speeds, higher fees, and user dissatisfaction. 2. Adoption and user growth. While PI Network has attracted millions of users by offering free mining on mobile phones, the challenge lies in sustaining this growth and fostering real utility for its tokens. It is essential for PI Network to convert its large user base into active participants who use the platform beyond simply earning tokens. To achieve this, the network needs to introduce use cases for its native token, the PI, in real-world applications. Without clear incentives or functionalities, users may lose interest over time, and the platform's growth could plateau. 3. Regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrency projects often face significant regulatory challenges, and PI Network is no different. As cryptocurrency regulations are constantly evolving across the globe, PI Network must navigate complex legal environments. Governments may impose strict regulations regarding the issuance, distribution, and trading of cryptocurrencies, which could limit the growth of PI Network. PI Network must ensure it complies with local regulations to avoid any legal issues that could affect its users or its ability to operate in certain markets. Additionally, the potential for a regulatory crackdown could impact the platform's credibility and the value of its tokens. 4th, security concerns. Blockchain technology is renowned for its security, but no system is immune to attacks. As a decentralized platform, PI Network faces the constant threat of hacking and cyber attacks. Ensuring that user data remains secure and that tokens are not stolen is essential to the platform's reputation and trustworthiness. PI Network's mobile mining feature has been praised for making cryptocurrency mining more accessible, but it also introduces potential vulnerabilities. If hackers were to exploit the mobile app or network, it could lead to significant losses for users, damage the network's integrity, and erode public confidence. 5. Centralization risks. PI Network markets itself as a decentralized platform, but there are concerns regarding the level of centralization in its governance model. Currently, a small group of validators and trusted nodes have significant control over the network's operations. This could result in centralized decision-making, which goes against the very ethos of decentralization. As the network grows, it is crucial that PI Network adopts a transparent and decentralized governance structure. Otherwise, it risks alienating its user base and losing its position as a truly decentralized platform. 6th, market volatility. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, and PI Network's token, PI, is no exception. As with other cryptocurrencies, its value is susceptible to market fluctuations, making it difficult for users to predict its worth in the future. If the value of the PI token does not stabilize or increase, users may become disillusioned with the platform. Additionally, if the token fails to achieve tangible value, it may lose its appeal as a method of payment or investment. Maintaining a stable value for the token and creating real-world use cases is crucial for PI Network's continued growth. 7. Lack of transparency. Transparency is a fundamental principle for any decentralized network, yet PI Network has been criticized for its lack of openness regarding its development, decision-making processes, and governance structure. Many users have expressed concerns over the platform's centralized leadership and the absence of clear information on how the network is evolving. For PI Network to gain long-term trust from its users and the wider blockchain community, it must become more transparent in its operations. Open communication about key decisions, development milestones, and updates is essential for fostering trust and ensuring a decentralized, community-driven platform. Conclusion: PI Network has made impressive strides in making cryptocurrency mining accessible to the masses. However, the platform must overcome several significant challenges to ensure its continued growth and adoption. From scalability issues and regulatory concerns to security risks and the need for decentralization, PI Network must address these hurdles to fulfill its vision of a global decentralized network. The future success of PI Network will depend on how effectively it navigates these challenges while providing real utility for its users.